Welcome back to the channel. I'm the pool professor and we're going on a field trip. Hey, we're in a customer's backyard and today I'm going to show you how to vacuum. I'm going to show you a trick the pool guys don't want you to know, and we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot when your vacuum's not working properly. If you're a new pool owner or your manual vacuum head has been just gathering dust, this video is for you. Let's jump in. Let's gather our gear. The things we're going to need are first a telescoping pole. I prefer this one. It's made by Animal. It's a click to lock pole. The other thing you'll need is a vacuum. There's two types of vacuum. This one is a brush vacuum, so it's for more delicate surfaces like vinyl or fiberglass. And this one is a regular manual vacuum. It has wheels and it's good for your plaster surfaces. This is a bottle of diluted tile soap, and I'll show you a trick that we're going to do with that. And then you'll also want a good vacuum hose. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is take the vacuum head, attach it to the pole. Next, I'll grab an end of my vacuum hose. Now this vacuum has a swivel built into it. Some hoses have the swivel built into the hose. If that's the case, you'd want to use that swivel on the vacuum head. And I'm going to jam this in the pool. I like to put it up against a step or somewhere where it's not going to slide into the pool and get away from me. Then I'm going to take my hose and I'm going to feed it into the water hand over hand so that it fills with water. Once it's full of water, I'm going to take it over to my skimmer. I'm going to remove the skimmer basket and I'm going to take that hose and put it in usually the rear hole of the skimmer. So I'm going to make sure the hose is as full of water as I can get it. Then I'm going to loop it over and put it in the skimmer. There could be two holes in the skimmer. I'm going to put it in the one that has suction. Okay, now you're ready to vacuum. So you want to move the vacuum slow enough so that you're not stirring up dirt, but quick enough to get the job done. So just back and forth like you're vacuuming the house underwater. And I use this, because this vacuum has a swivel on it, I'm using the pole, rotating the pole back and forth to move the vacuum so it moves down the pool as I go. Now, if you're not getting enough suction, you're going to want to make sure that your pump is in a high speed. If it's a variable speed pump, you're going to want to make sure your pump basket's empty and that your valves are turned so that they're mostly sucking from the skimmer. So another trick is if I'm coming up on something big, I want to try and hit it at the back of the vacuum right in the middle. That's where I have the most suction and it's going to pick up those big leaves or those bigger debris in the bottom of the pool. Now here's a trick that the pool guys don't want you to know. I've got a bottle of Arrow tile soap. I'm going to dilute it down. And then I'm going to use it and squirt it across the top of the pool to break the surface tension. It's going to help the pool look clear so I can see all the way to the bottom without ripples in the top. It makes it easier to see what's happening on the bottom of the pool. Okay, so once we're done vacuuming and we like the way the pool's looking, first thing I'm going to do is collapse my pole. I'm actually going to throw the vacuum side of the hose up on the deck. And then I'm going to run to the skimmer, watch the air filling the line. Once it's full to here, I'm going to pull it out. And now there's no air in my vacuum hose and my pump hasn't gotten any air in it. And then I can replace the basket. Thanks for joining us. I'm the pool professor. Join us at Clearwater 435. Subscribe to the channel.